Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Best of Istanbul. And now I'm in Süleymaniye Mosque and I will show you around. This is a definite place which you should come when you're in Istanbul. So let's check it out. First, let me show you the surroundings. This is Süleymaniye Mosque. I will not enter there. And these are my friends. I will not enter inside today. And this is that spectacular view. Let me show it to you. Yes. This is that amazing view. This is the Galata Bridge. It's in kind of Fatih area, and this is Galata Tower. It's somewhere here, and this is bridge. You can walk here from the Galata Eminönü. It's not that much far away, but you can also come here with public transportations also. You can't. The public transportation will come somewhere here, so you should walk up until here. But it's definitely worth it, I guess. Guys, it was a quick tour, but I hope you liked it. So see you in my next chapter. Bye. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.